Hi, I'm going to show you some fun recipe. Mochi ice cream. I use 3-4 cup of glutinous waste, just like this. Okay, and I using 3-4 cup of water. And I use 1/4 cup of sugar. And you mix. You stir until the sugar melts. And I'm going to put 3-4 cup of glutinous waste in here. And I got some cornstarch also too. And I'm gonna slowly put the sugar water in it. Okay, and put more in it. Looks really nice. Let me put more in it. Put all the water in it. Okay, then I'm going to put it in a microwave for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. But I cook it 1 minute at a time. So I'm doing 1 minute. Okay, this is already 1 minute, so I'm going to remove it. And you see they're a little bit thick, getting thick, so that looks good. Then I'm going to put another 1 minute again. Okay, this is another minute, so I'm going to remove it. You can tell they're getting more thick. Put another minute again. Okay, this is the 3 minute. See, it's turning really thick. Looks good. So I'm going to do another 30 seconds. This look good. And they're too sticky, so I'm going to add some cornstarch in it. Or sweet potato flour. And you feel your hand more sticky, so you just need put more in it until they're not sticky. Okay, that looks good. Okay, I'm going to put some cornstarch in it. And I put the whole thing in it. And put some cornstarch in here so they won't stick. So what I'm doing is roll it. See there's a stick over here, so put more cornstarch in it. Okay, this is the look of our way. Okay, let me wash my hair. I'm going to be using a cup and this stick. Let me put some more cornstarch in it. Okay. Okay, and you suppose leave it, wait until they cool down a little bit. So I'm going to mix some ice cream first. You can using any flavor, but I'm using some strawberry and some chocolate mint. But you can pick up any flavor that you want to, so it doesn't matter. So what I do is, then I'm using a small scoop like this one. Then I scoop. In here. So you make it round. You make it nice and round like this. Okay. And try the chocolate one. And you hold it just like this, and put it in the freezer right away. Put it in the freezer, so wait. So I got some already done in here. You better put it in the freezer in about an hour before you put it in the dough, okay? Okay, now they are really hot, they are not soft at all, so that's good. So I'll show you how to do it. Just pick one. See, they're really nice and hot, so they won't melt right away. And put it in the middle. And grab the two sides and grab another side like this and tighten it. Okay, this is already done one, so I can show you another one and try the strawberry one. So I pick up one dough. Put it in there and grab the two sides and grab another side like this. And put it in the cooler freezer right away if you can, because you don't want the ice cream melted. For an hour, you're going to put it in the freezer for 1 hour. And don't eat it right away because the dough is still warm. So I already did some ahead to show you. This is how I made. I'm going to cut it open to show you. This is how they look like inside. Okay, that is what I make today, the mochi ice cream.